video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, lane departure warning, power lift gate, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.